time come now.
Comrades of the People's National Party, I am here today to tell you that we live in two Jamaicas. We live in a Jamaica where a hungry man picked two Aki over King's house and then lock him up and send him to prison. And yet still in another Jamaica, you have lawmakers who are thief poor people money to enrich themselves, and yet still nobody to lock them up yet. We are living in two Jamaicas, but time come now. We are living in two Jamaicas. In one Jamaica, them say COVID lockdown, and them go take a man out of yard from under him bed and lock him up. Yet still, in the next Jamaica, the minister out there a flash and a mock, no movement there. There is no justice in this country because we are living in two Jamaicas. We are living in a Jamaica where certain students can go to good school and become anything they want, and other students are going to fail in schools, as the Prime Minister labeled them when he was Minister of Education. We need a PNP. Time come now so that your children can get good education no matter where they go to school. We're living in two Jamaicas. In one Jamaica, if you get sick, you can't get quality health care. In another Jamaica, you're pregnant and go to hospital and then put you on a chair until you drop off and dead. Time come now for a People's National Party. We are living in two Jamaicas. In one Jamaica, you have the opportunity to become anything you want. And in another Jamaica, you have limited dreams based on where you come from, where you address me. But as the time come now, better must come on the Mark Jefferson Golden.
I'm gonna rush them like a pit bull, mixed with a ratty, tap them like a rifle. Mix with a shotty, and over them, love the watchy, chatty like a peeping Tom mix with a motor massy, trying to mix up it.
We are living in two Jamaicas. In one Jamaica, you have a small set of people swimming in a sea of prosperity. And in the next Jamaica, you have the majority of the people stranded on a land of poverty. As a time come now for the People's National Party. We are living in two Jamaicas. In one Jamaica, you can build big building and live in a nice house by hillside. And in another Jamaica, you live in a house, and when it rains, and you hear Ernest Smith saying, pitter patter, coming down like raindrops coming down. We're living in two Jamaicas. In one Jamaica, man can have beachfront property and keep party and enjoy beach. In the next Jamaica, you are barred from the beach even though you live on an island. We need a People's National Party.
Jamaican people want better.
We are living in two Jamaicas. In one Jamaica, there is the sunlight of opportunity. In another Jamaica, people are living from hand to mouth. People are suffering hunger pains and walks them night and day. Time come now. Better must come. Adama Jefferson Golden.
Well, poor people fed up. To your system shut up. You issue gun for whipping the boss. Poor people fed up. To your system shut up. Well, every day they get to use them now.
We're living in two Jamaicas. In one Jamaica, man get farmland and I'll change the purpose of the land and take it build house. Them have everything to plant and make sure that the farm run well. In another Jamaica, when a poor farmer asks for assistance, instead of getting farm road, them get a donkey and say time come now for the People's National Party. Speaking of donkey, my granny used to say donkey say the world no level. And when granny said that, in her way she was communicating that the society isn't equal. There isn't equality in access to opportunity. So I tell you what my role and my purpose is. My purpose is to talk about the party that took me from nothing and made me into something. My purpose is to tell the story of the People's National Party.
Turn up the thing, PNP. Turn up the thing, PNP. Turn up the thing, PNP. Turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up. If you want things, we really get nice.
And so today, we want to summon all progressive-minded individuals in Jamaica. Whether you're black or white, fat or slim, we don't care whether you come from uptown or downtown. We want to summon the consciousness of all progressive minds in Jamaica. We have to rescue this country. We have to build a country where out of many we are one. We have to build a country where Jamaica is not only nice for a few, but it's nice for the whole of we. It is time now for the People's National Party.
Modern vampires of the city, until blood, blood, blood. You could have come from Rima, or you come from jungle. Could have come from Firehouse, or you come from Tower Hill.
Comrades, when I walked onto the platform, they played a gospel song. It says there's always somebody talking about me. But really, I don't mind. They try to stop and block my progress most of the time. I know who I am and to whom I belong. I have said it every single time. I come from humble beginnings, where my father spent 20 years in a prison and my mother was a domestic helper. But despite all of that, I am here today because of the policies, the programs of the People's National Party. And so, comrades, I have 3 children, and I want to make sure that Naila, Madison, and Joshua can grow up in a Jamaica that they have equal access to opportunity, where they are judged by the content of their character and not the color of their skin. I want them to grow up in a Jamaica where their altitude is determined by their aptitude. I want for them to dream to become anything they want to be. And so today I am supporting Mark Golden because I know that he's not coming here to enrich himself. I know that he's coming here to liberate the people and set them free.
One love, one heart. Let's get together and
so let's be clear. Let's be very clear. Labor rights, you are not my enemies. As Comrade Patterson said, you are my opponents. I have some enemies though. And I'm not talking my good friends who think I'm talking them. I know you me talk. I have some enemies. And those enemies are inadequate housing, inadequate access to proper health care, poor roads and no water in our communities. I have enemies. Crime and violence are my enemy. Injustice are my enemy. And I want a People's National Party rallying together to rescue this country and restore hope. The word is and forever will be love. God bless you.